In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw support and resistance lines in ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is you want to open up your chart here, and then you want to go to the Drawings tab up top, and this is where you can actually hover over Drawing Tools, and this is how to actually draw support and resistance lines. So you want to come over here, and you could either select these trend lines over here or the price level. So that's one option that you can, of course, use. So if I do price level, for example, and let's just do this very quickly over here. I'm assuming you already do know how to actually draw support and resistance on any other chart. So let's just say this is kind of the resistance over here, up here for this Tesla stock. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on over here on the left hand side, drag to the right, click again, and it's going to kind of create this support or resistance line up here. Okay, so let's just draw another one. I could go over here, for example. Let's say I can see kind of a resistance here. I can go like this. There we go. It's going to draw another one, and then let's actually draw a support as well. So you get the point. You can just click again, and it's going to basically create a line. So also you could just double click and it's going to create as well, but I always like to kind of double check it. So I kind of go over here, and then I want to make it to where I can actually see the line is straight at the price point I want it to be, and I can just click over here and it's going to happen. So that's one way of doing it. However, you could also use these rectangles. So if you prefer these to actually not be lines but to be kind of sections, you could go ahead and drag them out like this, and you could also drag out rectangles like I'm doing right now. So you can just do the first click and then just release your mouse button, drag it out, and then the second click should be wherever you want to finish, and there we go. So you could draw it like this as well, and it's going to draw your support and resistance lines or areas. So of course that's how we can do it. And then you have the drawings up here. Whenever you are done with this, you can just remove the drawings, click on clear drawing set, and it's going to pretty much just erase that from your chart. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.